I don't know if you can hear my little robot going off downstairs. It's hoovering and mopping. I think you can hear it now. So I have literally just moved house. When I say literally, I mean like a month and a half ago. Your girl is taking her sweet time to decorate and organize and put everything in its place. Let me just wait for the vacuum to shut up. I haven't filmed anything in a while, and I kind of feel like filming some house content. So right now I'm going to be cleaning and organizing these shelves. I have some board games and my boyfriend's books, and I think I have some of my books hidden in other boxes that I need to go and find, and I think I'll put them on these shelves too. I don't know if we're going to fill the shelves today. I don't know how it's going to look. Hopefully it's going to look nice, and then I don't know, maybe eventually I'll also add some little knickknacks to decorate it here and there. We literally, before we got moved in, had the house painted and these shelves also got painted. But just as I was cleaning now, there's some dirty marks on here from the cats. So I'm going to have to get like a magic eraser from the supermarket at some point this week to clean that. So it is now the following day. Let me show you the progress so far. I think it's looking quite cute. I mean, I've never kind of decorated or organized a bookshelf in this way before. I'm talking like I've done mountains, but you can see I've only done a tiny portion. But I was a little bit out of my element, never done it before, but I feel like it's turning out so cute, and I can't wait to add like more board games, puzzles, and decorations to make it look cute and add our own personal touch to it. Okay, so here are the boxes I've kind of emptied to, more or less. These two games here, not aesthetic enough for the bookshelf. They do not fit the vibe. So I put some books there. I don't know why I started on that shelf. It was just, I don't know, that shelf seemed like a good spot. It was calling to me. Got some more books cold beer. I thought that was kind of cute in the corner. These were all too big to fit on the shelf, so I've just kind of put them on display on the top shelf. And then in here, there are some others, and then Monopoly down there. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna add some more things to it. I need to go and rummage around downstairs in some boxes to find some other things, and we shall continue to decorate this. So this is how the shelves are looking so far. I think I've put everything that we have to go on the shelves right now. So books, I put a cute little plant there. Cold beer, I thought those two plants looked cute next to it. As a couple of Star Wars things, I did want to put them on the shelf down there, but the Darth Vader didn't fit, unfortunately. A few of my books, friend's mirror, my boyfriend's books, Hello Sausage, because my uncle always calls me Sausage, and of course I have a sausage dog. This is a Marvel advent calendar I got. We actually still need to open the last week of December. And then the games, more games. Oh, and then this hand. I do have a black glove somewhere that was on it. I took it off to wash it. Don't know where I put it. Maybe eventually I will move the books. I'll put his on the very bottom shelf, and then my shelf there with the friend's mirror, I'll move that over here. And then we have all this section for games and puzzles. So yeah, that's where we're up to. Oh,